Decline diamond push-up. Not everybody does this exercise every day. Maybe once in a while, maybe once a month or so, or maybe once a week, everybody do decline diamond push-up. But if you haven't done diamond push-up in a long time, chances are your wrist is going to be stiff. If you want to elevate your feet on a bench or a ladder right here. I like to use a ladder because I could elevate my feet in three different positions. Well, anyway, if you haven't done decline push-ups, decline diamond push-ups in a while, I just want to show you my quick tip of how you could get it done with ease. Normally, when you do a decline diamond push-ups, your wrist is not going to flex all the way back in order for you to do the exercise properly. Let me show you real quick. As you're doing your decline push-ups, you want to elevate your feet just like this. Your arms are going to come together, and you're going to do your decline push-up like that. But sometimes your wrist doesn't have a lot of flex in it. And as you're doing your exercise, it's not gonna come all the way so you can get that deep push. What I like to use, I could use a push-up handle right here. You could use these if you're gonna do your deep diamond, your diamond push-ups, your diamond elevated diamond push-up. It's like this right here. You could use these. When I first started out doing my diamond push-up, I started out with these. But after a while, this ridge right here is so narrow, you're not going to have any comfort while you're doing the exercise. I usually go to these beer blocks right here. These beer blocks right here. I use these beer blocks to do my diamond. Just put it like this. Elevate your foot. And you're going into the exercise just like this. Yeah. So it makes it more easier as you're doing your exercise. Just like this. So I just want to share this quick video with you. So if you're having any issues or anything like that, we're doing decline diamond push-ups. These are good things to have in your gym, in your home gym position. It's like that. They are called beer blocks, push-up handle. That's what they look like. So I just want to show you real quick. It's real easy. You just put these close to the side like this. Just like a diamond push-up. And you're gonna go down. Make sure it's safe, your back is straight, and just do your diamond push-up just like that. Very comfortable as you're doing the exercise. The surface area is wide, so when you're doing the exercise, you're gonna have a large surface area that your palms could sit into, just like that, and you do your diamond push-up. So I just want to make this quick video real quick to show you. I want to put these in the description. So if you guys want to go on Amazon and check it out, I'm put these in the link in the description below. So you guys could go to Amazon, check it out. Thanks for watching my video. I just want to share this quick video real quick. Thank you very much.